Now you have a spot or you have a blemish in your face. You want to remove it. You don't want it to be in your picture. I'm going to show you how to use PhotoScape X to remove the pimple or blemish in your face. It can even be in your shirt. Now let's begin. Now in PhotoScape X here, you just come to the viewer here. Maybe go to where your image is. For example, I'll go to downloads here, scroll a little bit, double click on this image here. Now we're going to remove this spot here, this black spot here. So this is the one we're going to remove. I'll come to the editor here, again, go to downloads here. Then I'll just go to where my image is. I'm going to use this image, I'll just drag it like that. Then I'll go to tools here. When you come to tools here, you can either use spot healing brush or remove stain or mole. Let's just start with the remove stain or mole. I'll just click this one here like that. Then I'm going to zoom. I'm going to use Control plus to zoom. So this is what I'm going to do so that I'm able to see the moles very clearly, just like that. Then I'll come here and change the brush size. The brush size is this one here. If I can even use this presets one. If I click this one, it'll be so big. If I click this one, it'll be a little bit medium. This one a little bit small. Let me use this one, although you can also adjust using this slider here. So I'll just click here once. You realize the mole has gone, but some parts are still visible there. Maybe I'll come again now. This time I'll brush a little bit out like that. I'll undo. If you see it's not going the way you want it, maybe reduce the size of the brush. Then maybe play around with that. Like that, or maybe increase the brush again like that. But now the problem now is becoming so hard, so let me reduce it again a little bit like this. Maybe I can do like this. It's all a matter of I think like that. I can also remove this one here. Just come here and click here once. But now the problem is giving me something. And do Control Z. Maybe reduce the brush size. Maybe do something like this or like this. There's another one here. There's another one here. Maybe increase the brush size a little bit. Just like that. So if I zoom out, Control minus in my keyboard is not there. Let me now try the other option. I think this one you are using remove stain or mole. I'll just close this one here. Okay, again I'll come here, drag the picture here again. Then this time I'll zoom again, Control plus, just like that. I'll go to tools. This time I want to use spot healing brush. Now let's see the difference, which one works best. I just pick the medium. No, I'll pick this one here. I'll just come and click here once. Then also can do this. Let me reduce the brush size a little bit, this time using the slider. Let me also remove this one. This one also, I think this one works better than the other one. So spot healing works better than the other one. I think, let me remove this one also, remove this one. If I zoom out, Control minus, now you see the face has no spot or moles in the face. Guys, that's how to do it. See you in the next video.